As you can see, my white belt is a little bit wider than my blue belt. That is because my white belt was an A2 and I prefer actually an A1 belt for me, my waist. So as I got to blue belt, I started buying a A1 belt because I thought that was looking cleaner. I don't want those long strips of belt hanging around. So I like it clean, and that's why now we have a little bit of a more narrow belt. My purple belt is also an A1, so it will fit perfectly with the blue belt. And then hopefully, if I get to go so far, all the rest will just follow and be exactly the same. Now, is this jinxing it? Because yeah, I'm technically only a purple belt and I already make a belt frame. Yes, I know. I don't want my belts to gather dust. Also, jiu-jitsu is a big part of my life, so I like to display my belts, even if, for whatever reason, I only happen to get to purple belt and not go any further, I still think it's going to display very nicely. I can add my purple belt if I quit jiu-jitsu or if I get injured where I can't proceed jiu-jitsu, that's all fine. But yeah, let's not get too negative here. Let's see how far we go. But I really wanted to make this, I really wanted to show this to you, and I think this is the best way to display your belts. That way you display the beautiful knot, you also display how many stripes or whatever you have, and you also showcase your belts without them collecting dust. And I think that was, for me, the most important thing. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you're now going to IKEA and make yourself this beautiful frame to hang up your belts. Also, don't forget, you can do this for karate, judo, taekwondo, whatever. Luckily, for me, I didn't start as a kid, because as a kid you have way more belts and that wouldn't fit in one frame. But then, why not make two? So let me know in the comments down below if you have more ideas to some upgrades you want to do, or yeah, we can just discuss whatever you want. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!